We are testing the new Scania G420 today. The young G-Series looks very similar to the renowned R-Series, but comes with an even more perfect combination of purchase price, consumption, loading capacity and comfort. As regards the aerodynamics, everything is just fine here. This results in a low consumption level of the SCR straight 6-cylinder with 420 horsepower in Euro 5. The Scania 12-gear unit is available in the G-Series with and without clutch. It is very easy to clean the windows. The cabin of the G-Range is 7 cm lower than the R-Series. The external stowage boxes are practical, however they are only in series on the driver's side. As from the driver's point of view, the Scania G does not look very different from the long-distance traffic range. As for the G-Range, you can choose between a big drawer or a cooling box under the lower bed. An unsprung folding seat on the passenger side. The folded up backrest brings more free space. Under the dash panel there is a combination of folding table and storage room. The roof hatch can only be opened and closed by hand.
Passt.
Martin Saracik has tested the Scania G420 for our readers. You can read the whole test in the August issue of the iPad magazine.